Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Amazon favorites, things that are my favorite thing that I've gotten from Amazon recently. And I've gotten a lot of really cute things, a lot of fun things. I've gotten some beauty things, fashion things. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get into the video. These glasses, you need these. You need these, your kids need these. Anybody you know needs these. These are going to protect you from the UV rays that when everybody's looking at their phone, everybody's looking at their laptops, this is going to help everybody. And they're really cute. I mean, they're clear. What more could you ask for? It comes with this really cute case. And it comes with this little rag so you can clean it. I would definitely recommend these. I think they're really cute and I know they're really affordable. And if you were just checking at my watch and my watch band, I don't blame you and you're not the only one. I get lots of compliments on this baby. I actually didn't buy this, but I do know it's from Amazon because I sent my husband the link that I really wanted this. I've never really been a fan of Apple Watches, but as soon as I started seeing like more trendy bands come out that are interchangeable, I just thought like, let me try it out. And I really like it. So this is really pretty. It's rose gold and it has like these little fake diamonds in it so that when the light hits it just right, ding, it's just like a showstopper. It's just really pretty and it's like a piece you can wear every day. So get yourself one. Oh, also I got another one. This is also rose gold, but this is more of like a relaxed one. I haven't actually put this in yet because I love this one so much, but this one is more of like I said, more of a chill look, but I just think this is really pretty too. So I'll link this one down below as well. Carrot seed oil. It is so underrated. I am telling you. I put this on my face at night because it's super oil. It's oil. So I put it on my face at night. I wake up and my face is like brighter. It's tighter. I just love this. Like I said, it brightens your skin. It tightens your skin. It's a moisturizer. It's seriously amazing. It's $11 for this. I've had it for like 2 months, maybe a little bit more, and it's like 2/3 of the way of the bottle. It goes a long way. It lasts a long time. I'm telling you, if you want tighter skin, more youthful skin, more brighter skin, anything that can make your skin nicer, I would get this carrot seed oil. It's amazing and it's very affordable. So, okay, this next thing is also for your face. So on Amazon, you can get 2 of these for $14. So this is the aloe vera green tea spray and this is the rose water. And so it comes in this size. There's 2 of them for this one. I actually just got another one at Ulta. I haven't ordered 2 more of them because I still have my aloe vera green tea one. But so you get 2 of these. These are 14 fluid ounces. These are refreshers, these are primers, these are finishers when you're done with your makeup. These are amazing. If you guys have not used rose water on your face, why? Go get some. It is amazing. I'm telling you, you will not be sorry. This stuff is everything. Okay, I have been kind of looking and on the hunt for bags that kind of are like a little bit Chanel inspired, a little smaller. Anyways, I found the perfect bag. I got them in 2 colors. I got them in black and white. I love these bags. So this is the first one. This is the white one. I love this. I'm not kidding you. The quality of this bag, when I first got it, I was pretty shocked at how pretty this was. It's really pretty on the inside too. I love this bag. I have gotten so many compliments on it. And I was actually, really, like I said, really surprised at the quality of this. Like, this is just so pretty. Guess how much this bag was? $17. $17. So cute. The next thing I'm going to show you are these leggings. They are so buttery soft. They are amazing. I've heard that everybody say that they're kind of like the dupe for the Lululemon Align legging, and I have a couple pair of those, and I would have to say they are very, very close. I would definitely recommend them. I get them in a size small. I love them because their waistband is amazing. It makes you look smaller. Okay, are you guys ready for these leggings? So these are the CRZ leggings that you can get on Amazon. And you know what? I have tried, I'm not gonna lie, I have tried about 8 or 9 different pairs from Amazon that everybody kept saying they are Lululemon dupes. False. No, they're not. This one is. I would definitely recommend getting these ones. I love that they're high-waisted, they suck you in, and they don't have that nasty elastic here that sometimes like gives you that weird line and makes your stomach hurt. This is so flawless. It's so buttery soft. I don't know if you could see the material really well, but it is like, it's a Lululemon material. I got a size small, like I said. I thought a small was gonna be way too tight for me, but they are perfect. They suck me in perfectly. They're not too tight or uncomfortable. They are amazing, amazing. Okay, I have another dupe for you guys. This is a dupe for the Lululemon Align tank. This is very similar. The only difference is that one has like a thick strap. This one has a really thin one that I think I even like almost better. But I mean, this is so similar. The quality is very similar. This one is more like a cotton feel. And this, like I said, the leggings are more like, you know, legging material from Lululemon. But I will say, you going into Lululemon, you're dropping $200 for an outfit like this. This outfit together on Amazon, less than 50 bucks. I mean, save yourself some money. Look cute for a fraction of the price, right? So cute. I also picked up this jacket, this jean jacket from Amazon. This is a Levi's jacket, and it's $100 right now on the site, but on Amazon, no, it is $59. So it's a steal, and it has like this really pretty wool lining all the way inside. It's definitely gonna keep me warm. I got a size medium. I wasn't sure what size to get. I was kind of reading the reviews and I wasn't really sure what size to get. I did get a medium. I'm glad. I feel like it fits me really well. But you guys, this whole outfit is less than $200. Less than $200. Can I say that one more time? Oh my gosh. I feel like that's such a steal. Amazon, I love you. Oh, don't mind me just using my rose water from Amazon. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I got this color as well, the dupe for the Align tank. I got this color. When I saw this on Amazon, it was like more like a pink color. And this, I'm actually kind of glad it's not as pink. This is more like a mauve color. Did I mention, you guys, that this also has padding inside of it? It does. So it has removable padding if you want. And so this is what it looks like, not on my body. And this is also a size large. I feel like it fits super well. I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, working out and also just like under stuff. Really cute. These leather leggings, faux leather leggings, I get so many compliments on these things. I wore them in my last 2 videos, so if you wanted to check those 2 videos out, they're on there, but I love these. I got them from Amazon. I got these in a size small. It's so hard when you look at the reviews and you're kind of like deciding, should I get a small or I feel like I'm in between small and mediums and a lot of things, so I want to get the right thing. I hate returning stuff, so I got a size small and they fit me perfect. I love these things. I know I'm getting a lot of wear at them. I get a lot of compliments on them, so I'll link these also. Okay, this is for the ladies. This is nipple covers. These are amazing. Do you know how hard it is to find good ones? This is seriously the best. It comes in this case, so you can take it wherever, keep it safe, keep them clean. They're reusable. These are $24, and I think they're great. I got a size small. I was reading some of these. It comes with this little pamphlet, and it talks about how this is hypoallergenic, how it ultra thin edges so that it blends seamlessly. There's no ridges, no bumps. It's exclusive silicone. It won't reflect light through clothing. I mean, These are great, you guys. I know $25 kind of seems a little pricey, but you're gonna wear them over and over and you're not gonna have to worry about them. They're secure, they're not coming off, so there's that. Are you guys curious about what's in my bag? I was just looking down there and I thought, do I have lip gloss in there? Because I need some lip gloss. Hand sanitizer, you can't go wrong with that. Ooh, I do have lip gloss. Oh my gosh, this is, I promise you, this was an accident. This Milani Keep It Full in, what color? Why can't I think of it? Luminoso is also from Amazon. I am telling you, I live at Amazon. Look how pretty. So pretty. I'll link this down below too, but what is in my purse? That's it. That's all I have. I have lip gloss and hand sanitizer. What's in the other bag? What's in this bag? Okay, also a lip gloss. This is e.l.f. lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. This one is Pink Cosmo. I use this one all the time as well. Pink Cosmo. Oh, my Ray-Bans. These are not from Amazon, by the way. Ray-Bans. And guess what else is in here? The most thing that we're gonna need. We're gonna be needing this everywhere we go. A mask. Guess what else? I promise this wasn't even supposed to be part of the video. I actually bought 50 masks for I think like $12 on Amazon. I'll link those as well. This was not part of the video, but I mean, hey, we need them, right? And they're cheap, so what does that end up being, like 30 cents per mask? I mean, I know you get them for free well, here in Utah, if you go somewhere, you get them for free. You get them for free if you go into like a store and you forget them, but I know like places like California, there's like super strict. Like, you don't have one, oh, oopsie doopsie, bye. Well, that's it for our my Amazon favorites. I hope they're yours too. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and watching my video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.